Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So this video will show you the beautiful room decoration. So how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. So let's start the video. And you can see these pictures. You can see the TV, the wall, the table. You can see the books are there, cups are there. You can see this one also. This is very beautiful place, because you can do gaming also, and you can see outside the building. It's very beautiful. You can go up, you can see the up, you go up, and bed is there, very beautiful. You can see some also the black color wall and the white color bed and wall, very beautiful. And you can see this one also, the up, you can go up, you can sleep, and then you can use your laptop, you can read their books, anything you can do. It's very beautiful. You can see this one also, the two lamps are there, VIP room, the two lamps you can see, looking very beautiful lamps, very beautiful. And you can see this one also, the books are there with the bed. You can see the sides and the next side. It's a very beautiful place, and things where you can keep. You can see this one also, the beautiful view from here. You never will get from here. Very beautiful view you will get from here. And you can see this one also, the table. You can see the decoration, very beautiful decoration. On the table you can study and teach, and online class you can do game, anything, very beautiful. And you can see this one also, the fan you can see, and the woods, the decoration, wall decoration, roof decoration. You can see very beautiful decoration. You can see this one also, very beautiful. The lights, you can see the up, you can go and you sleep there, very beautiful. You can see this one also, very beautiful, looking very attractive, looking very beautiful and attractive looking. You can see this one also, the up ring lights. You can see this one also, very beautiful. The cupboards and the wall decoration side up, you can see, very beautiful. You can see this one also, you can go up there, looking very beautiful. You can see this one also, very beautiful. You can see the picture, the mirror, the lights, very beautiful, attractive looking. And you can see this one also, the bed you can see, and the wall you can see, the dress you can see, very beautiful. You can see this bed also, very beautiful. From here you can look outside, the best view you will get. And this one you can see, this one also, very beautiful. The small plants are going down, and they're looking very beautiful, attractive also. The clouds, you can see the beautiful clouds, blue, white, yellow, pink, very beautiful. If you like, guys, so please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. You can see this one also, very beautiful. If you, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all.